Your website gets traffic but no sales. That is one of the most frustrating problems every business owner faces. You spend time, money, and energy getting people to click through only to watch them leave without taking action. Here is the truth. The problem is not your product. It is not even your traffic. The real problem is your copy. Words decide if visitors trust you or click away. In fact, studies show you only have 8 seconds to capture attention before people lose interest. That means if your website does not instantly connect, you have already lost. So why does this happen? Most websites talk too much about themselves. They explain features, brag about being the best, but never answer the visitor's hidden question: what is in it for me? And when that question is not answered clearly, people leave. Let me give you 3 insider steps to fix this. Step 1. Lead with benefits. Do not just list what your product does. Show how it changes your customer's life in a simple sentence. For example, instead of saying fast shipping, say get what you need tomorrow without waiting. Step 2. Build trust fast. Add proof that shows you are real and reliable. This can be reviews, star ratings, or a quick line about results. People buy when they feel safe, and proof creates safety. Step 3. End with a clear action. Never assume visitors know what to do next. Guide them with simple words like sign up free, buy now, or start today. Clarity converts where confusion kills. Now here is where most entrepreneurs get stuck. Writing this kind of copy takes hours, and sometimes days. That is where AI Creator Max changes the game. Problem: you waste time staring at a blank page, unsure what to write. Agitate: the longer it takes, the more sales and opportunities slip away. Solution: with AI Creator Max, you just answer a few questions, hit generate, and your copy is ready. It has over 100 proven templates for websites, ads, titles, and more, all built on frameworks like AIDA and PAS that marketers have trusted for decades. This tool helps you write 10x faster, and the words it creates are designed to sell. Here's a quick bonus tip. Keep your website copy short, clear, and scannable. People skim, not read, so use short lines and easy language. Remember, this video is part of a copywriting mini course, so watch the playlist to get all the value. If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment about the part of your website you want to improve most. And do not wait. Try AI Creator Max free today at aicreatormax.com and see how much faster your words can convert. Your next visitor could be your next customer if you act now.